Hey everyone, welcome back to IGCSE with Ree. Today, I'm going to teach you 8 words to describe places of natural beauty. The first word is scenic. Scenic places make you stop and look twice. Example: the village is surrounded by scenic mountains. Lush. Lush means nature is alive and green. The forest is lush after the rainy season. Breathtaking. Some views steal your breath away. The sunset over the sea is breathtaking. Pristine. Pristine means pure, clean, untouched. The lake remains pristine and peaceful. Rugged. Rugged nature is wild and powerful. They hiked across rugged mountains. Majestic. Majestic nature feels grand and proud. The majestic waterfall amazed everyone. Tranquil and serene. Tranquil and serene places calm your mind. The beach was tranquil and serene. Finally, you know what to do. Leave your questions in the comments, share with other students, and always come back for more.